Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to talk about the derivative formula of the sum or the difference between two functions f of x and g of x. The proof is going to be using the limit definition of the derivative. So let's just dive right in. Before we dive right in, we have to take in consideration what the definition of the derivative is as opposed to the limit. So it's a limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h. And this is just the limit definition of a simple derivative at the point x. Normally, if you want to take a specific point at the x-axis, we'll take it as x naught. But when we want to take all of the variables as x, then we can just put it as x. So if we want to take the derivative of f prime f of x plus g of x, then we have to take the limit of this simple function. So we just take the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h plus g of x plus h minus f of x minus g of x, and the whole thing over h. Now what we can do is we can rearrange the simple things just by putting the minus f of x in front of the g of x plus h and putting the minus g of x in front of the minus f of x. So we just get limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x plus g of x plus h minus g of x all over h. Now what we can do from now, we just use the commutative rule. So yeah, the proof of the commutative rule is going to be in another playlist. I think it will be some kind of algebra playlist, or I'm not really sure about it. But indeed, we can just simplify this into two simple fractions. So we'll just divide it into two simple fractions. So it will be the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, plus now we can have the limit g of x plus h minus g of x over h, but we can also take the limit of it. So we can split the limits of two quantities into the limits of those two quantities individually. So we'll just take the limit as h approaches 0 of g of x plus h minus g of x, the whole thing over h. Now we can see this is the definition of the f prime of x, and this is the definition of g prime of x, which is stating that we have the sum of two derivatives. So this is just going to be f prime of x, and this is just going to be g prime of x. And so we have proven the formula. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and follow for more, and we'll see us in the next Daishinfinity video. See ya.